Hey guys, I've got this job, window not opening. So we're gonna have a little look. Obviously it's free this side, handle's not doing anything. As you can see, stuck shut. So I think the roller is engaged on the left side. So what you want to do is take the handle off, because it could be a couple of different things. So take the handle off. Sorry about the video, I'm trying to film this one-handed and do the job. Take the handle out, and sometimes the spindle actually becomes detached like this. So sometimes just put the spindle back in the handle and it'll work. But obviously if that's not the case, have a little look in the hole and see if you can see anything obvious that's broken or split. And that would say that the actual mechanism is broken. So then you need to do a different option. So if it's not the handle, it's not the spindle, what we're going to do is we're going to get some lockable grips with a 5mm Allen key, and then what we'll do, we'll lock it in as so. All right, and then what you want to do is slip it between the window and the frame like this. It can be quite tight, so just bear with it. And then what you're trying to do is hook just underneath the window. Try and go as far to one edge as you can. And then you need to rotate it 90 degrees and then feel for that roller. So once that's in, you just turn it and then give it a sharp pull back towards yourself. And then with any luck, the window will open, just like that. Okay, so yeah, so basically between the window and the frame, turn 90 degrees onto that little roller, as you can see, and then pull back, and then fingers crossed, that'll do the window. Failing that, you need to pop the beads off, take the glass out, and then obviously drill behind the mechanism to get to it. But here's a little example. This is a new one going in. So pretend that's the window, so it's going in, turning at 90 degrees, getting onto that roller. All right, and once you've felt it, give a sharp pull back, and as you can see, it'll open. All right, thanks guys, take care.